Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal. Welcome to EduEcon. I am Prachi. In today's lecture, we will be discussing about short-run production function, the detail about short-run production function. So, from where this term has got? There is a term named laws of return. Laws of return has been segregated in two parts. One is short-run production function. The other one is long-run production function. I have already explained both of the terms in my previous lecture. Here in the bell icon, you can see the whole video. If you have not seen the lecture, please you go to the previous video, understand the whole concept, then come to this lecture. Let's understand the gist. Laws of return. Okay, this laws of return has been segregated into two parts. Okay, one is short run production function and the other one is long run production function. But here in this lecture we will be understanding this whole concept. Okay, so production, what we will be producing, a product. What we will be producing, children? A product. Okay, we will be producing a product. And now this product has been segregated into three parts. What are they? What are they, children? The first one is TP, the second one is AP, and the third one is MP. What is the full form of TP? TP is known as total product. AP is known as average product. And MP is known as marginal product. Okay, now children, these three terms has three different names. And what are they? TP is also known as TPP. AP is also known as APP, whereas MP is also known as MPP. What are the full forms? TP, total physical product. APP, average physical product. MPP, marginal physical product. Now the third name is TP has total returns. Total returns. Okay. AP, average returns. And MP, marginal returns. Okay, I hope this is clear. I hope this is clear, children. Now I will be making a table for you all. I will make this side. I hope this is fine. Okay, I will make this side. See, here's a table. Number of workers. Here there will be number of workers. TP, total product. AP, average product. And MP, marginal product. We will be understanding. Let's suppose if there is only zero worker. If zero worker means no production, no production, no production. Yeah. If there is one worker and one worker is consuming on an average of 100 product, 100 pens, let's suppose. Two worker is consuming 220 pens. Okay. If three workers, if we talk about 360 pens. And four worker if we talk about 520 pens. So these individual workers, the total production of these individual workers has been these. If there's one worker, 100 pens are produced. If there are two workers working, there are 220 pens can be produced. If there are 3 workers, they can produce 360 pens, whereas if there are 4 workers, they can produce 520 pens. So, what is the meaning of total product? The total production has been taken place during a given period of time when when combining the variable factor as well as the fixed factor. Now, what are the variable factors and what are the fixed factors? Variable factors likewise labor, raw materials, fixed factors likewise building, machinery. Okay, I hope this is clear. Clear, children? So, and also we will be learning about the formulas here. Okay. Okay, so formulas here and graph schedule this side. Now let's suppose if we want to find out the average product. You all know, if on a basic terms we will understand what does average means when we have been adding the total numbers. Let's suppose 100 and 220, if we add, it's 320. We have added two numbers, we will be dividing by 2. Very simple. See, at the first term, it will be 100 only. Why? Because there is only one worker, right? 100 divided by 1 is always 100. Okay. If we calculate about second workers, the average product, then 220 divided by 2, if we do it, it's 110. You can check with your calculator. It's 110. 220 divided by 2. Let me do it here for you. 2 1s are 2, 1s are 2 and 0. It's 110. I hope this is clear. Very clear? Okay, this is 110. So you understood from where 110 comes, so what is the calculation of average product? Now if we talk about the third worker, it's 360 divided by 3, which is 120. And if we talk about 520 divided by 4, then it's 130. I hope this is clear. So there is no such formula for TP because TP tells us about the total production, but there is a formula for AP. The formula of AP is TPL by L, means total production of labors, total production by labors by number of labors. I hope this sounds very clear. Very clear. Now if we talk about marginal products, what is the calculation of marginal products? Let's suppose if we say what is marginal product, first we should understand this, that what is marginal product. We have already understood the term in the previous lectures, in the previous videos, or in your previous notes. You have already understood what is marginal. Marginal is something when we consume any additional unit and what is the satisfaction you are getting. If we are in the terms of demand supply, but in this term, if we produce an additional unit of product, then what will happen? Okay, let's suppose if one worker, so this one will be same, 0 worker, no production, 1 worker, 100 only, it will be same. But as we go to the second worker, what is the additional pens produced? What are the additional one that is produced? This was 100 and then now it is 220. You can see 100 and 220. So children, if we minus this, we will be getting 120. Now, what is the additional? Earlier it was 100 when there was one worker producing 100 pens. Now when it has two workers, they are producing 220 pens. So what are the additional pens they are producing? They are producing 120 pens. I hope this is clear. Now if there are 3 workers and they have produced 360 pens. They have produced 360 pens. So now what will be the calculation? It will be 140. 220, 360. If we divide, if we do subtraction, it will be 140. There is 140 additional units of pen produced when there are 3 workers. Now when there are 4 workers, children, it's 520. Earlier it was 360, now 520. So what is the additional unit? What is the additional unit? It's 160. Okay, it's 160, children. Yeah. Okay. So there are 2 formulas for MP. It's del TPL, del change in TPL by L. We can also write change in TPL by del L, not del. Okay, okay, yeah. And the other formula is TPN minus TPN minus 1. So this is the other formula. I hope this is very clear. Okay, I hope this is very clear. So after this, children, I hope this has been clearly understood. Now we will be understanding this schedule. I have just explained you. Now this schedule has 11 workers. We will be talking about that. There are the 3 stages of production. What are the 3 stages? Increasing returns, diminishing returns, negative returns. We will be understanding everything in this video itself. The graph and everything.
We will be talking about stages of production. How many stages of production are there, children? There are 3 stages of production. And what are they? See, I have segregated into 3 parts. First is stage 1, stage of increasing returns. Second is stage 2, stage of diminishing returns. And the third one is stage of negative returns. I hope that you remember I have shown this table, though not full table, but half of the table while explaining you TP, AP and MP. I have explained you till 4 workers. I have explained. Now children, what we will be understanding is, we will be understanding the whole table. Okay, we will be taking approximately 11 workers and we will be understanding how different segment changes, different stages changes with time, with workers. So how we will be analyzing it? In the time of first stage, stage of increasing returns, this term increasing, we can understand that the total product, the average product and the marginal product are increasing. Stage of diminishing return, we can understand that all the 3 TP, AP and MP will be diminishing. Okay, it will be diminishing, downfall, falling. Third one is stage of negative returns. It means whatever it is, the TP, AP or MP, it has become now negative. Okay, negative or maybe falling. Okay, downward sloping. Okay, so we will be understanding everything in detail concept. I have explained you the formula TP, AP, MP, how these numbers came. I have explained everything. You can tally with the previous thing which I have taught you. So now focusing on the graph and the table, we can understand up till 5 workers it is stage 1. Why it is that? I'll explain you. From 6 worker to 9 workers it is stage 2, and from 10 and 11 it is stage 3. You can see with time the production has been reducing. See, you can see children. See the numbers you can see. Now with this schedule I have made a graph for you all. Now what does this graph explains? We will be understanding. So first of all we will be understanding stage 1, then stage 2 and then later stage 3. So how stage 1 starts? Stage 1 has started from the point of origin. Okay, in total product, the stage 1, you can see the total product has been increasing at an increasing rate up to point M. This point M is known as point of inflection. What is this point M known as, children? Point of inflection. This point M is known as point of inflection. In the stage 1, we can understand that the stage 1 starts from the origin and goes till M at an increasing rate. Okay, and then after M it increases but at a diminishing rate till point A. And in this point A, stage 2 starts and stage 1 ends. I hope it's clear for TP. Now when we talk about AP and MP, we can see that AP, in AP and MP also, what has happened in stage 1, it is starting from origin. Okay children, but in MP we can see when MP is at maximum, MP rises at an increasing rate. So and whereas AP has also been increasing at the same time, we can see MP is also increasing whereas AP is also increasing. and when AP is maximum, stage 1 ends. I hope this is clear. Now, if we talk about stage 2, children, see, stage 2 starts from point A in TP. It increases but at a decreasing rate, and it goes up to the maximum level, that is T. Now this is the maximum level. This is what? This is the maximum level of TP, maximum production. Okay, understood? Maximum level is TP. In the second stage, see, the maximum level is what? This is 880, this is the maximum level, okay? In the part of, at TP, not part, okay? So now, when we talk about AP and MP, we see that AP is at the maximum level. We can see when stage 2 starts, AP is at maximum level, and when MP has become 0. See, MP has become 0 in stage 2. Now, we have discussed about stage of diminishing return. Stage 2 was all about stage of diminishing return. Now, if we talk about stage 3, which is negative returns, downfall, falling, maybe a minus, negative returns. So we can see, children, see in the marginal product we can see it has been showing as minus. In AP it has been showing as lesser negative number. Okay, here also less production, less average product we can see. So when stage 3 starts, this line denotes about stage 1, this is stage 2, and this is stage 3. Okay, now when stage 3 starts, which means PP is at its maximum, but now it is falling. Now there is a downfall, it is falling. Okay, and if we talk about AP, children, AP is also falling, but it is always positive. Here it's a keyword, AP remains positive throughout. Okay, and MP you can see when stage 3 started it was 0, but after that it becomes negative. Now we will be understanding what are the causes. Stage 1, better utilization of fixed factor of production as additional units of variable factors are employed. Okay, it is the cause of stage 1. What is the cause of stage 2? It is because, children, the fixed factor and the variable factor has not, the combination of those were not appropriate. It was very much poor. Okay. The third one is they are using more of variable factors rather than more of fixed factor. So these are the causes. I hope you have understood everything for this chapter. In the next chapter, children, in the next topic, children, we will be discussing about TP, AP and MP, the relationship between TP, AP and MP. Okay, I hope you stay tuned for the next video. If you like my video, so please like, subscribe and share with your friends in me. Thank you.